I absolutely love this glass desktop whiteboard. It's 17 by 7 inches. It's got this pull-out drawer so you can keep the 4 markers and erasers that come with it all hidden away. This drawer can be on the left or right side. So easy if you're lefty or righty or just your preference, you can have it installed on either side. And it's so easy to use. I love this for instead of having to use paper sticky notes and just constantly wasting paper and throwing them in the trash. I love that this is erasable, so I'm able to just easily and cleanly erase things just like that. It's super smooth, super clean, and just fun to use. The markers, it comes with 4 of them, and so these markers, it's like a chalk marker. So this is a great marker to be able to write on here. It just writes super smoothly. I use it as like a daily checklist, and then if I have random notes, like I just had a call from John, like, oh, I need to call John back today. Easy to just add notes on here. You can write things wherever, organize it however you want, and I love the backlit area. So it's also easy to tuck away and just put underneath of my laptop as my workstation. I have my keyboard up front, but it's super easy. And here's the tray that's removable, and it can be installed on either side. I usually like to have it so that I have everything all stored in there nice and neat. And I love the backlight. It just plugs into the USB on your computer. There are different options. This one is the black glass with pink light. There's also the white glass and different colored lights as well. So lots of options on here to customize your workspace, your office, your desk. But highly recommend it. It's great for gift giving. It's great for just adding something to your desk so you can save yourself some paper, and it just lights it up. So super easy. Highly recommend it. Thanks to the brand for providing this for me.